So good day and happy Thanksgiving. We're down around Lethbridge right now and we're basically going to visit family and friends. And while we were driving down here, came across an irrigation ditch. Lots of them down here to put water onto the land. And that water is being pumped up by that guy right there. That is a vertical hollow shaft motor with the pump down on the bottom, and it is being driven by a variable frequency drive. Now, why would you not just turn that thing on? Well, when you turn it on full from power line, then you get charged the peak current that you draw on that motor. And that is typically what your bill is set at. So the challenge with that is that you want to run these things up slowly so that they don't give you a large surge in current and therefore you don't get charged as much for power. So a VFD is often used. The challenge with the VFD on this is that, okay, so it gets up to full speed finally when you're running it and it's all good, it's moving water. Why is that going to cause shaft voltages? Well, variable frequency drives, even when they're running at the same 60 hertz as the power lines, still take the voltage in, rectify it, turn it into a high voltage DC, and then chop it up back into a waveform again. And that chopped up waveform causes shaft voltages. So if this motor is set up to be VFD ready, that's great, but they're typically not set up to deal with shaft voltages. And without a motor shaft grounding module on it, eventually those bearings will get chewed up by the shaft voltages generated by the VFD. So something to keep in mind if you're putting these motors out in the agricultural area. Thanks for watching.